Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll give you 5 secrets to get more reviews on Fiverr. Alright, you know that the more reviews you get, the more people trust you. So it's very important for you to get as many positive reviews on Fiverr if you want people to book your service. First thing first, what do? Always ask your customers to get in touch with you first before booking your service. How do you do that? You just put it in your description in bold and in red. That way people see that they need to contact you first before booking your service. It gives you more flexibility to really understand what is it that the customer wants. And when you fully get what they need, you can send them a custom offer which shows how many days you need to complete the order and the right amount of money for your service. Secondly, you need to ask as many questions as possible to really understand the full scope of the project. Don't be shy. When a customer get in touch with you, it's because that customer like your service and your skills. So don't be shy. Just ask them as many questions as possible about the project. That way you can avoid any miscommunication and you can make sure that you have enough information to go ahead with their project. 3. You know that famous quote, under-promise and over-deliver? This is what you need to do. Always send more than one option to your customer. Let's say that you're designing a logo. Rather than just sending one option for that specific logo, send 2 or 3. That way, the customer can have enough options to choose from. Also, that customer was probably not expecting that many options. So when you do it, it put the customer in a situation where he or she wants to reward you with a 5-star review. 4. When you're out of time, request more time to complete the order. There's an option on Fiverr where you can literally request more time. Obviously, you need to explain why you want more time, but this is something that most people do on Fiverr, and the customers are very understandable. If you give a good reason to request more time, they'll give it to you, and it gives you more flexibility to complete the order in the right time frame. 5. Ask your customers when the delivery is completed to give you a good review. It's something that I always do. You just ask your customer to leave a good comment on the order, just to describe their experience with you. And the more you do that, the more you can ensure that customers actually leave a good review on your profile. Thank you guys. I just gave you 5 simple secrets to always ensure that your customers leave a 5-star review on your profile. This is very important. Again, the more reviews you get, the more people trust you and the more people book your service. Thank you guys. Take care.